I'm nervous. You can do yourself. Oh, I can't move quick. I just learned. I can't move quick. I just learned because you kind of gripped. But you guys ever kind of grip? No. By the way, are you guys comedy nerds or animal freaks? I've been meaning to ask. What's the deal? It's so funny. I love doing stand-up. Stand-up's awesome. And now every show is like, hey, you want to do stand-up? And I go, yeah. And they go, you have to wear a hat the whole time. And I go, okay. And they go, and the hat's gonna kill you or something, you know. But it's fun for the audience because they won't know if it kills you or not. And you go, oh. And with the hat, I get to take the hat off. They're like, no, but the whole audience is a silent disco. You go, those two things are not correlated, but he might shit on me. Here it is.